Details in your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're gonna grow and have a good life. I'm gonna do what I got to do. So rock-a-bye, baby, rock. Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm waiting for my mom because we're gonna see who could burp the loudest. All this soda, and I'm gonna pour more, and then after we're gonna see who can burp the loudest. There. Okay. Ready?
Yeah. What do we have to do?
You have to take 4 in a row, and then we see who can burp the loudest.
Okay.
Ready? Go. It's like flat. I don't have any burps. Should we get one from outside?
Maybe one swig from here.
This is flat. You can't. Why did you do that?
Hold tight. One moment.
You can't do that. Oh.
It's definitely not flat.
Okay, then I'll just drink out of this one. Hold on.
Got nothing.
Here.
You gotta be from down here.
Let me drink some more. Hi, welcome to Chick-fil-A. What can I get for you?
I would like the 8-piece chicken nugget, please. And what kind of sauce do you have?
Chick-fil-A sauce.
Do you have anything hot mustard?
I don't know.
If you do, could I have some?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, have a good day. Oh, let me fix this. All right, this is so exciting. I have my camera hooked up to like my camera mount in my car, so I don't want to fly all over the place when I drive. Okay, so my window is open. Okay, no one's outside. No one heard me. I'm going to Chick-fil-A in case you didn't get the memo earlier. Oh my gosh, driving the cake. Need to pay attention to the road. So in case you didn't see earlier, our little drive-through skit. But yeah. This is the only good lighting there is. We're at the mall. That's it.
So we just left the mall, and we're on the way home.
That's what he's talking about right here.
This is a good angle.
Purchase. Hopefully that's on there.
And let me show you what I got. Let me show you what I got. So I got these Sperry's for, well, mostly to wear them to work, but also just because I wanted them. Ready, burp, go.
Sorry.
And then I went to Victoria's Secret and I got some underwear and a bra and the Mom, the burping is over! From Victoria's Secret. And on the back it has
A dog.
a dog. Oh, it kind of looks like a wiener dog. Oh no, it doesn't. It did look a little long. What was your day?
Mine?
Yes.
Good.
It was good.
I want to get home so I can watch Dancing with the Stars.
Who's your favorite on Dancing with the Stars?
I don't have a favorite yet.
Oh, because it's still new, right?
It's still new.
We watched Dancing with the Stars last week, and we missed Nick's performance, The Bachelor. But I looked it up on YouTube, and it was pretty good. He got all 6s. But I'm super excited to watch it tonight. Yeah. Even though he should have picked Raven. Hello.
Hi.
We just got back from going out to eat at Olive Garden, and I haven't vlogged. I didn't vlog it because I forgot the camera. But
A rookie mistake.
we're going to the mailbox.
To the movies.
No, we're going to the mailbox. Hey guys!
Hi.
It's time for a P.O. Box haul.
I didn't know we were doing that.
First, we got this box for my mom. Y'all are so nice getting stuff from my parents. You really don't have to do that.
We appreciate it. We're not gonna open that because it's not ours.
Yeah, we're gonna wait for her to open it. This is, oh, my dad. Y'all sent stuff from my dad. Seriously, y'all are just too kind.
It's too kind.
My mom, our whole family. This is from Capital One Bank Services. Like, I really appreciate y'all wanting to sponsor us. I appreciate it.
And then someone sent us a $20 off coupon to DSW. Wow.
They're so sweet. They're so
You
nice.
could have used this today.
Oh, everything's falling. Where is this from? A Target. $5 off of Target. Y'all are seriously too much. So nice. We just want to thank you truly from the bottom of our hearts. Just thank you so much for all the support you give us and all the
Love.
yes. That's you just have to put it on my mouth. Yeah. We just appreciate you guys so much. All 12 of you. I just feel like you're my family. You're my very close friends.
We know every one of you guys.
Yes. I will personally
Deliver.
thank you all.
I thank you.
I will DM you on Twitter. I will text you. I already texted one of you today.
Wow.
Shout out, you know who you are. I hope you have a good night.
And I just want y'all to know that. Good night.